Hey, what's up? Welcome to BG Codes. Let's do it live. Tonight, I'm going to be comparing 3 different APIs to figure out where I'm going to get my location data about all the restaurants in the area. I'm going to go with Yelp, Foursquare, and Google Maps. Those are the 3 that I'm considering. I'm going to look at what data they return to me, see how I can use it to filter and maybe do some more advanced stuff, and see what just better suits my needs. I know that some of the APIs have limits and some of them are paid, like Google Maps, but I just don't think this app is going to get enough traffic to ever break out of the free tier. So I'm not too worried about any of that. I'm just mainly concerned with what data is getting returned back to me and if it's enough to do what this app needs to do. So I did some work. Did some work yesterday on this. I investigated all the documentation for Foursquare, Yelp, and Google Maps API. And what I did was just made a bunch of Postman collections for each of these. Now, what's super awesome is that Foursquare, there's this sick button called Run in Postman that I guess Postman can provide. And Foursquare just publishes their Postman collection. And guess what? So does Yelp. So boo on Google for not doing this. But here you go. Here's the Postman collection. So this is the Foursquare one. And as you can see, here's like some of the main endpoints. So one of the most popular ones is going to be the search for venues intent browse. I'm not, remember Foursquare is like a check-in platform. So I'm actually trying to browse. So I edited this one down here in venues with the intent of browse, and I already filled all this out. Oh, I wonder if this is just a link. No, it's actually a different request. Okay. Yeah, so I already filled this out with my ID, my secret. And what I'm providing this is a latitude and longitude. This is the coordinates of Adobe in the domain. And I'm going to hard code this for now. In future versions of this app, this will probably be like, detected from the browser or something like that. My intent is browse. I'm not trying to check in. Or I'm not trying to match like a specific place. And the radius is 1,600 meters, which is about 1 mile. So I think it takes about 20 minutes to walk a mile. And so that's just kind of what I'm putting it at. I might need to kind of tighten that up a little bit to like maybe half a mile, something that's walkable within about 10 minutes. Because I want this to be like a very immediate, like, where can we go to lunch? This place will work. And then this is a category ID. And this particular category ID corresponds to, I believe it's food. All right, so that's the Foursquare one. Here is the Yelp one. The Yelp one has a businesses search. And this is the one that I filled out here. Again, exact same latitude and longitude, 1,600 radius. This category is food. You can put in a string here instead of a ID. Whoops, close the other one. So let's browse that. Let's send it, actually get a response. Sweet, okay. And here is Yelp. Search, let's send it, get a response. Maybe we'll go into 2-pin, maybe single pane. Need a way to like compress this. I don't want to see so much of this. What is this? Is that search? No, I don't want to search. Yeah, like I thought there was a way to like... What is visualize? Oh. Preview, raw, pretty. Yeah, I thought there was a way to like resize this little window here. Damn, guess not. Okay, so first one is Foursquare, second one is Yelp, and the third one is Google Maps. Google Maps is a little bit crazier. Um, I just did what's called a nearby search. Similar situation, put in the latitude and longitude, give a radius, and then a type, very similar to category. This didn't have like a food thing. I had to go with a restaurant. Okay, so and then maybe these have limits. Like I want to just limit to like one. Let's look at the documentation. Documentation. Where's the nearby? Place search. Go nearby. Required key, location, radius, rank by. Open now, rank by type. Page token returns up to 20 results from a previous run search. Oh. Okay, no, guess not. What about Yelp? Business search. Term location, legend, radius, categories, locale, limit. By default, it will return 20. Yeah, whatever. Let's just copy and paste all these. We'll throw them into here. What is this? This is the first one I just copied. This is Foursquare. Foursquare.json, and I'll actually just stick this in the data directory. Save as type. JSON with comments. Wow. Amazing. No, how about just JSON? Okay. Let's see. Then let's grab, this is Yelp. And the third one will be Google. Sweet. All right, so now what I want to do is just kind of start inspecting these to figure out what's here. So at the top level, we have HTML attributions and next page token and then results. What do we have here? Just businesses. Great. And here, meta, code, response, venues. There's nothing under response. Okay, total. And it does give you back region and center here. Results, status, okay. Okay, cool. So then let's look at like an individual one. Like, let's actually just get rid of all of this and just actually like There. It's a single return in Google. Do the same thing here. We'll just get a single return. And Yelp. Oh, actually, let's grab the same place. This is Culinary Dropout. This is Summer Moon. Let's grab Culinary Dropout. Seriously, it's not on the list? Hold on then. All right, so Foursquare has Culinary Dropout. Yelp does not. That's ridiculous. And Google Maps. Google Maps doesn't have Culinary Dropout? Why? I mean, that's close to us, and it's really good. I don't understand what's going on here. Okay, the second one is north. Hmm. This is the right place. Oh 11506 Century Oaks Terrace Suite 124. And 506 Suite 124. Okay. Which is weird, like Foursquare seems to be. Okay, Foursquare has Yard House. Wow. Seems like Foursquare is like hitting all the places on the money. Okay. Let's analyze this a little bit more. Let's do, we got to bring in Google Maps, Foursquare, Google Maps, and Yelp. Let's log these out, see if we're actually getting them. Great. Okay, cool. Let's log this all out. Okay, let's do 3 things here. Let's do an H2 for Foursquare. Oh, we should put these next to each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to output like side by side, ordered by name, all the places to see like which place is like kind of hitting better. So Foursquare is what? Meta. No, it's the object dot response dot venues. So it's Foursquare dot response dot venues dot map, and then for each venue, what are we gonna do? We're gonna return a paragraph with the venue dot name. Great. I'm using style components here. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is just open up this style.div and say display grid, grid, template, columns. Repeat. Three, 1FR. So it's going to put it side by side. Okay, there we go. Side by side. Here we go. Okay. So what does Google Maps look like? Google Maps dot results dot name. What about Foursquare here? Oh no, this will be Yelp. Yelp dot businesses dot name. Oh my god, how do you spell businesses? Is that right? Yeah. Okay, dope. And we need to sort this. It's something I always forget how to do, so let's just look up JavaScript array sort. That's it. Yeah, I don't think that's right. Let's try this. We'll do a console log real quick. of sorting this. Can't I sort by like sort objects by property? Yeah. Oh, great. Takes a callback function. 2 elements. That should do it. Because what's it supposed to return? Compare function. First element, second element. In place and no copy is made. Oh shit. So 4 squares should now be... Hey, dope, they are. Okay, so we got everything sorted. This is good. Man. Park. And then my buddy was like, hey, let's just use the list of stuff on the domain. On the domain's website. Hmm. Yeah, I'm just not sure where to get my stuff from. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Google Maps just seems like way off. Yeah, so this is interesting. Yeah, Google ranks by prominence default. Foursquare and Yelp, what do they rank by? Hmm. Can be optional. Yeah, I don't know how they rank these. Limit category. Hmm. And then Yelp, what do they got? The default is best match. I mean, I suppose it doesn't really matter. So let's get rid of all the sorting. Yeah, they're so different. Copper restaurant and dessert lounge. What is that? Hmm. Okay. So I need to start trying to make a decision here. I'm waffling. So Google looks like only returns 20 at a time. Which, don't get me wrong, I suppose I could fire off two, but that sucks. Now, let's see. Sorry, Google, you suck. Let's see. Limit 10 up to 50. Limit up to 50. Let's put limit on both of these. So Foursquare, browse. Let's do a limit of 50. Send that. We'll grab the results. Throw it into VS Code. Okay, and then Yelp. Same thing, limit of 50. Head over to Postman. Search for a business. Limit of 50. Save it. Send it. Okay. Okay, cool. This is like getting better. I'm going to get rid of Google Maps out of the output here. Let's not import it. Let's not log it. Actually, I don't need to log any of this stuff. We'll get Google Maps out of there. We'll change up the styling on this to should be good. Okay. And then let's bring back the sorts. $7.11. Jeez. Yelp has some interesting ones. See, okay, okay. Yelp doesn't have culinary dropout. Why not? Like, I'm perplexed at like what some of these things actually have and what they don't. Oh, can I just go to yelp.com, please? Like, how come? Music venues, bars, American new. Jeez. Oh, restaurants. We should include that. Okay, so that's better. So then the Yelp results should get a lot better. Categories is food or restaurants. So we'll update those Yelp results. What about Foursquare? Let's just double check. Category ID. Holy shit. So it looks like food pretty much covers it. Okay, so let's see if these are any closer. a little bit. Salvation Pizza's not on either of them. Man, okay, none of these are giving great results. Hmm. Don't know what to go with here. Let's take a look at the actual data returned. Okay, so there's an alias, a name. Yelp has an image. Oh, just one. Yeah, see, Yelp is nice because it has. Yeah, is it open? Is it closed? All sorts of its categories. It's got reviews, rating. See, Yelp just has a lot more. It includes its distance. I think I'm just gonna have to go with Yelp. So what does Foursquare return then when you look for something specific? So here's a venue detail. Business details. Man, this has a lot. Wonder if it's got like a website. I liked how Foursquare had the website on there. Where's transact? No, not quite. Popular. Ooh, menu. Price rating here now. And here are photos. Like review rating. Okay, price. Oh yeah, Foursquare is pretty good. I don't know. Maybe we order by distance instead on each of them and see. So Foursquare for venue search, you can say. Is there a sort? No. That sucks. Just is what it is. Hmm. Query limit category. Yeah, no, nothing. And then let's see, if I don't sort this, does it look like it's ordered by distance? No, doesn't look like it. I don't know, man. They're very similar. Both of them have Velvet Taco. Neither of them have Salvation Pizza. Boo. Nobody has Jack and Gingers. I don't know what else is good. Yeah, sushi, Zushi. That's good. Second Bar and Kitchen, that's always good. Cyclone Anais, that's always good. Culinary. Yard House, great. Yep, Mad Greens. I don't know. I think they're like literally the same. Can't decide. I'm going to go forward Foursquare and just see what happens. Ugh. It's like basically a tie. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna say that Foursquare wins out. I just like that it's user provided, so naturally it'll filter the new stuff and the popular stuff up to the top. I suppose Foursquare is still pretty active. Just check out Foursquare versus Yelp API. That's old school. Foursquare versus Google Maps. Yeah, nobody's. Yeah. I'm going to start implementing with Foursquare. It's sexier. I feel like the API is easier. Shit, even their Postman collection was better. So let's just go there. Thanks for watching me read documentation and compare stuff for like an hour, but Foursquare is going to be what we're going with. I'll cancel this video and then move forward to the next video, actually implementing this inside of my application. Should be pretty straightforward. It's going to be 2 API calls, one for the search, and then one to get the details about the place that we grabbed. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.